Hello, and yes, guys, guess what I found? I found a seagull eating a dead bird. Yeah, I've been trying to, peck at it and stuff. Yeah, I've seen a lot of crazy stuff in my short time on Earth, but this is one of the goofiest. And we're at a baseball game, but my brother isn't playing, but we were just bored, so we came over here. So yeah, and then I saw this seagull had something in its mouth, and then I noticed it was a dead bird, so I didn't bring my phone, so I asked my mom if I could use her phone, and yeah, so I'm recording on my mom's phone right now, but let me see if I can try to get a better angle. It's literally just eating it. It's swallowed it whole or something. It was just pecking at it, but now it's swallowed it whole. That's insane, bro. I didn't even notice it swallowed it whole. I can barely even see it now. I just some feathers in its beak. I can't zoom in anymore, bro. But yeah, bro, that's insane. Never seen that happen before.